You know what nobody tells you about product management? It can be scary, not because you're dealing with scary tech or angry customers, but because sometimes you genuinely have no idea what to do next. The roadmap's fuzzy, the feedback's messy, the data's silent, and all eyes are suddenly on you like you're supposed to have all the answers. Today we're diving into what to do when product management gets uncomfortable, and how to handle those moments when you feel completely stuck. If you've ever launched something that flopped, stared at a backlog wondering what's worth building, or been cornered by an exec asking for a business case by Friday, this one's for you. We're going to break down real situations that make product managers sweat and give you practical steps to navigate through them like a pro. At the end, we'll cover how to move from a reactive product manager into a proactive one, staying ahead of problems and driving real results. First, what do you do when you don't know what to focus on next? Let's say the team finished a sprint. Your backlog is overflowing. There are feature requests, tech debt, customer complaints, and ideas coming at you from all directions. And you're frozen. What now? Simple. Go back to the data. When you're unsure what to build, go talk to people. Talk to customers, talk to support teams, talk to sales. Run a quick survey. Pull usage analytics. Look for behavior patterns. You're not guessing. You're gathering signals. Then stack those signals against business goals. What's aligned with what you're trying to achieve? What's urgent versus important? If one opportunity keeps popping up, say customers keep asking for a dashboard filter, or you see a usage drop after a certain step, that's a good clue. Prioritize that. Let the evidence lead the way. Now let's talk about a classic challenge. You launch a new feature and it bombs. Nobody uses it. Or worse, they use it and hate it. You poured weeks into it. You thought it was the game changer. And now, crickets. First of all, it happens to everyone. Even the best PMs launch duds. The key is how you respond. Don't panic. Don't hide it. Instead, ask, what exactly didn't work? Did users not see it? Did they not understand it? Did it slow them down? Was the problem we thought we were solving even real? Set up heat maps. Look at click paths. Watch recordings. Talk to users. Then decide, do we iterate or sunset? Sometimes all you need is a tweak, like better onboarding, cleaner design, a tooltip. Other times, you realize it's the wrong solution to the wrong problem. And that's okay. Kill it, learn from it, move on. That's lean thinking. Let's move on to another fear-inducing situation. When your business leader says, can you prove the value of what you're building? And if you don't have a ready answer, it feels uncomfortable. You don't need to panic, you just need to ground yourself in the basics. First, define what value even means in your context. Is it revenue, engagement, retention, time saved? Then, show the connection between what you're building and that outcome. For example, we added inline editing, and now time on task dropped by 15%. That means users complete workflows faster, which reduces support tickets and increases retention. It doesn't have to be fancy. You're telling a story with numbers. Keep it simple, logical, and direct. If you can tie it to a business metric, you're golden. Now let's say a VP asks you, hey, can you put together a business case for this new idea? Many product managers are uncomfortable or don't understand what a business case is or how to create one. And it sounds formal, slow, and corporate, but actually, you should be doing this anyway. A business case is just a focused way of answering three things. What are we trying to solve? What's the opportunity or risk? What's the ROI, return on investment? That might mean estimating potential revenue, or cost savings, or user growth. And yes, sometimes you have to guess, but it's better to make informed guesses with rough data than to build blindly. Business cases keep you honest. They force you to think about impact, not just features. Don't build first and justify later. Think first. Build smarter. Next nightmare. You're getting hit with more work than you and your team can handle. Leadership wants speed. Engineers are burning out. Everyone wants something, and you're the one in the middle. Here's what to do. Prioritize based on value versus effort. Create a simple matrix. What's high value and low effort? Do that first. What's high effort and low value? Kill it. Get ruthless about trade-offs. Push back when needed. Saying yes to everything means delivering nothing well. Show your prioritization logic to stakeholders. They may not agree with your choices, but they'll respect your thinking. And And you can always say yes, but it needs to come later. You're not saying no forever. You're just saying not now, and here's why. Let's flip it around now. What if the problems aren't obvious? What if you don't even know there's a problem brewing? This is where good PMs become great ones, because they spot issues before they explode. Keep your radar on. Monitor support tickets. Watch NPS trends. Look at where users are dropping off in your flows. Set up alerting if key metrics dip. And most importantly, stay close to the customer. Don't just rely on surveys or dashboards. Hop on calls. Ask open-ended questions. When someone says, "It's fine," dig deeper. Fine usually means, "I gave up trying." Early detection is everything. It's how you solve small problems before they become full-on dumpster fires. Let's recap real quick with a story. You're leading a product line at a SaaS company. You just shipped a new reporting feature. A few weeks in, adoption is low. Execs are asking for updates. Sales wants to know when it'll help with upsells. You feel stuck. Here's how you break it down. First, analyze usage data. You discover most users don't even notice the new tab. Visibility issue. Next, talk to support. Turns out customers didn't know what the feature was for. Clarity issue. Then, you talk to actual users. They love the idea but find the filters confusing. Usability issue. Now you've got direction. You improve onboarding, tweak the UI, and add a tooltip. You follow up with another round of interviews and see usage go up. Execs, relax. Sales gets a shiny demo video. You win. Not because everything went right, but because you handled it like a product leader. Let's wrap this up. Product management will always have, "Oh no, what now?" moments. That's part of the job. It's messy, non-linear, and sometimes straight up chaotic, but with the right mindset and a few reliable tools, you can turn confusion into clarity, pressure into progress, and uncertainty into momentum. Stick to the basics, follow the data, prioritize with purpose, communicate clearly, stay close to your users, and above all, don't panic when things go sideways. That's when the real work begins. If you want to get better at navigating the chaos of product management, watch the next video popping up right now.